Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amir Oktaviani from Department of Psychology Brawijaya University. First of all, I would like to thank to Lapma Scientific Indonesian Islamic University for giving me the opportunity to present the result of this research entitled Assessing the Role of Citizen Trust to Governments Towards Panic Buying Behavior in the Pandemic COVID-19. And also thank to my lecturer, Miss Lucia Saahrani, who has guided me in this research process. As we all know that at the beginning of this year, we were all shocked by a virus that we know as COVID-19. COVID-19 has spread in 219 countries, including Indonesia. This virus also has an impact in all aspects of our life. That the spread of this virus is quite fast and surprising for all parties, especially our government, which still confused on how to resolve and inhibit virus COVID-19. Therefore, since the first case reported to Indonesia, a lot of criticism came through our government about their policy, such as on how fast, effective, and resilient would be, and this gathered the distrust from citizens. The responses from citizens are also various. One of the example is the unusual quantity of shopping. They think that this is as a form of self-defense during a pandemic, as we call panic buying. The most demand thing is from medical and retail stores. Therefore, it has an impact on increasing the price of masks by up to 1,400% due to the high demand for goods. So, according to research from Yuan Ma and Lee 2020, the situation that is impacted to the trust between citizen through government become decreased. The individual will tend to act individually. This research type is correlational quantitative research with simple linear regression statistical methods that this study using Wijaya's panic buying scales, which has a Kornba alpha of 0.945, which consists of 15 favorable items, and citizen trust in government organization scale from Grimlich-Huyssen and Evanis 2015, which has been developed and adapted by Wahyudi, Mila, and Muluk 2017, with a Kornba alpha value of 0.949, which consists of 12 favorable items. Both instruments uses a Likert scale that have a choice of answers from 1 until 4. Respondent data collection using purposive sampling technique and distribution online through a questionnaire. Respondents obtained were 990 respondents with criteria at least 18 years old, Indonesian citizens, and affected by COVID-19 pandemic in all aspects. Based on the results of research involving 990 respondents who are Indonesian citizens, aged at least 18 years, and affected by pandemics in all aspects, shows that acceptance of the alternative hypothesis and the rejection of the null hypothesis, because there is a significant value, namely 0.002, where p-value less than 0.05. Then, there's a fact of 1% on panic buying behavior, while 99% was influenced by other variables not examined in the study or external variables. Based on the result of previous research by Yuan Ma and Lee 2020, it is known that panic buying behavior can also be influenced by several factors. First, individuals' perception of the threat of the health crisis and scarcity of products. Second, fear of the unknown, which is caused by negative emotions and uncertainty. Third, coping behavior, which views panic buying as a venue to relieve anxiety and regain control over the crisis. And fourth, social psychological factors, which account for the influence of the social network of an individual. Widyastuti 2020 also said that panic buying is influenced by purchasing decisions that occur because of public anxiety in anticipating scarcity of goods. And lastly mentioned In Uryandani and Angli Kusumo's research in 2003, panic buying behavior is influenced by price uncertainty due to the devastating exchange rate hike in 1998. So, it can be concluded that there is a role for citizen trust to the government regarding panic buying behavior during COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. And this research has also explained that public trust in the government or citizen trust is one of the factors of variables that can explain or influence the occurrence of panic buying behavior during the COVID-19 pandemics. As for suggestions for the further research on panic buying, so that it can consider to find and assess other factors that can influence panic buying behavior as research variables. This study can also be used as material for recommendation to the public or especially to the government in order to be able to show focus and seriousness in handling pandemics and take into consideration that public trust in important to keep people from panic buying. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.